How to get skinny legs, ladies. Are your legs starting to look a little thick? Pudgy upper legs and ankles can make a woman's legs look shorter, making the woman wear off skirts, shorts, and skinny jeans forever. But it doesn't have to be that way. You can get skinny legs in just a few months by following a few simple rules. Note: men can also benefit from these techniques, but ladies tend to store more fat on their legs, which is totally unfair, but true. Just listen to women discuss the dreaded cankles, calves that don't slim down when they reach the ankle. Men don't typically get fat ankles unless they are significantly overweight, but cankles can happen to women who are within or just above their healthy weight range. Here's some advice for anyone of either gender who wants to get skinny legs. Leg slimming exercises. There are 2 steps to slimming down your legs. First, you must lose the extra body fat that's padding them. Second, you must build lean muscle mass and tone your leg muscles. There's a proven formula for losing body fat. Get enough exercise to burn off more calories than you eat, and use toning and strengthening exercises to produce lean leg muscles. The best slimming routine contains a combination of cardio exercise and strength training. Any cardio will do. Pick something you like and keep at it. If you want to get skinny legs fast, go heavy on exercises that target your legs. Ride a bicycle, tread water, or go jogging through sand or water. You could also hit the gym and use the treadmill, cross trainer, or stair climbing machines. Try to do 20 to 30 minutes of your chosen exercise every day, with a couple of break days to give your body time to recuperate. To get skinny legs at the gym, use leg machines to work your inner and outer thighs, calves, and hip flexors. At home, try some classic leg exercises like leg lifts, lunges, and wall sits. Start by doing 3 sets of 30 leg lifts with each leg. Side and front leg lifts work different areas of your legs and abdomen, but all are effective. For wall sits, start by holding the sitting position for 15 seconds at a time, and work your way up. Stop when your thighs feel trembly and have difficulty supporting you. Foods for skinny legs. For weight loss, nutrition is just as important as exercise. Some foods, like those containing sugar and corn syrup, can make your body produce too much insulin. The insulin makes you hungry, so you eat more. It's a disastrous cycle to be in. Give your diet a makeover by trading out saturated fats for healthier, unsaturated ones that actually help your heart. You don't have to give up carbs, but you do need to choose healthier ones. Eat complex carbs that come from dark green vegetables, fruits high in water and fiber, and bread and pastas made from whole grains. And don't skip the eggs. Recent studies have shown that whole eggs aren't harmful to your cholesterol, and can actually help you lose weight. Get at least 3 servings of dairy each day, and swap your morning coffee for green tea. Calcium and green tea leaves are proven fat busters. With the right diet and exercise, you'll get skinny legs by swimsuit season.